Hi there. I want to share a new feature that we just launched for our AI Drive Pro users. So here we are in AI Drive Pro, and we're just going to get this document here. And you can see in the AI extracted description that it is a study for a redevelopment project. So we're going to go here and we're going to use our quick summary, and I already have a prompt that I wrote that says, summarize this project as an experienced project manager, extracting key information, write your summary in markdown, which allows it to basically put things like bold and different types of heading, and use tables as appropriate, right? So I want to open up for the AI to actually use tables here, and I'll show you what we're going to do with that. So you can save the prompt and run the task, and AI is doing this right now. And you see here it's using different headings, and it's writing the summary of the redevelopment proposal. And then you can see that it has these tables here. So, okay, so here's the Hensley site development program. It has these tables, number of occupants and so forth. And then it has another table here for the types of facilities and a bunch more information. And of course, you can edit this, and you can edit the numbers that are in the tables as well, especially as you verify this against a source document. It's always important with AI to verify, do fact checking, right? Verify with the original source. Let's say you make all your edits, but then now what you can do is you can not only save as a PDF, but you can also export the tables that are in this document. So we auto detect when there is a table, export these tables as an Excel file so that you can open this in Excel or other type of spreadsheet software. So yeah, so this is available now, and you can just do that, and you can also include the prompt here. I'm going to save exporting as a table, and it just got that exported. Yep. So that's what I want to show to you guys, and I'm going to save here as PDF as well and be done with this work. Thank you very much.